Good day. My name is Mark Onoja, co-founder of the Startup Place, and you're welcome to Income Growth webinar, where I will share with you on how to transform your business for revenue and profit growth. In the world where we find ourselves right now with super inflation and a lot of businesses are folding up, and with disruption happening in our different industry and different field, you know that anything that will enable you make more money in your business is a banger and is a good one. So I will encourage you to wait to the end of the webinar and remove distractions because this is going to be a game changer for you. So what will you learn today? 5 things basically. Number one, why you need income growth. I'm going to share with you on why you need income growth and what is income growth. Next, I'm going to share with you about the concept of the word called money. If you're looking at making more money in your business, you need to understand what money is. A lot of us don't understand the meaning of money. That's why money always invades us. So next, I'll teach you on how to manage your income. Now, there's this thing I usually tell people. I think I added somewhere that you don't fetch water with a basket. So the best thing to do is to fetch water with a bucket. So we need to cover loopholes. That has to do with managing your income. So it's very important to learn how to manage your income. For most people that will listen to this webinar and watch this webinar, managing your income is the game changer for you. Then I'll teach you how to make more income. Just 2 simple steps on what to do, and you make more money in your business. And of course, I'll share with you next step because I offer opportunity for entrepreneurs to work with me on the 30-day journey where I help them accelerate their income. So stick to the end and let's get started. So this is just a little bit about me. My name is Mark Onoja. I've worked with over 500 entrepreneurs. I have 10 years work experience. So I've been doing coaching and consulting for over 10 years. I co-founded a business called the Startup Place, and we provide business advisory services, we provide accounting services, and we provide HR services. So I pretty much know what it means to actually run a business because the company I currently co-founded with my dad, we currently manage close to 35 businesses. And we are focused strictly on startup and small businesses, which has to do with a lot of the persons that is going to watch this. So I understand what it means to run a startup and a small business, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the insights from that. So let's start. Introduction to the word called income growth. So what is income growth? So income growth has to do with you establishing a reliable financial foundation that supports your day-to-day operation and long-term ambitions. So basically what it means as regards to income growth or why you need to do income growth is that income growth takes care of your day-to-day operation and also takes care of your long-term ambitions. So as a business, every day you open, you spend money, and you're looking at achieving something big in the future. So income growth enables you achieve that. So you're just creating that reliable foundation, financial foundation to enable you achieve your day-to-day responsibility of running your business, and of course, your big long-term financial ambitions. So when it comes to income growth, it enables you as a business to reinvest in areas that propel success. There are some specific areas that would need you to grow as a business. So you invest in that. Now, this is meant for people that have already been in business, right? So if you have been operating a business. Now, I usually say this thing that if you want to start a business, you necessarily don't need money. But if you want to grow a business, you need money to grow business. Yeah. Income growth is very important for you to grow your business. So it enables you to acquire better tools and resources for expanding your marketing efforts and building a solid and capable team. Income growth isn't just a goal. It is necessity for thriving in business. It is not a goal. It's a necessity. So breathing in and breathing out for a human being is it's not a goal. It's a necessity. If you don't do that, you'll be dead, right? So that has to do with income growth. So income growth is a necessity for your business. It's not something you just set as goal. It's necessity. You set it as a goal, but it's something that is a necessity for you. All right. So why income growth? Number one, sustainability and stability. Sustainable business means a business that can stay over time. Stable business means a business that is not moved to and we are not open today, closed tomorrow, doing well today, not doing well tomorrow. So when you grow your income, you are more stable and your business is more sustainable. Take it to the bank. You're more stable and your business is more sustainable. So and we need to have a more stable and sustainable business. Hence, we need to grow our income. Fuel for expansion. You grow better when you make more money in your business. Just take it that way. If you want to expand, you need money. And I usually encourage entrepreneurs, especially startup and small business, to raise it from inside. It should be an organic growth. Your profit should be what you should use and invest into your business for growth. Next, attract talent and investors. No investor wants to invest in a business that doesn't have capacity for income and for good profit. So they normally look at your financials if they want to invest in your business. Next, no talent, right? We've been doing this recruitment and HR thing for a while and getting people in. There is nobody that wants to work for a business that is failing or a business that's not doing well. You want to work somewhere that you say, oh, this business is making some good amount of money monthly, right? Then flexibility and resilience. You are more flexible and you have more resilience to stay with projects. So flexibility, you can do a lot of things. Resilience, you can choose to pursue a particular project that would not give you yield for a very long time. So I've seen cases where some people pursued a particular project, a particular product to test it for like 1 year plus. So if your business has not been making money in a way, you'll be broke. So you you are more better resilient and flexible when you grow your income. Next, competitive edge. So you have a better competitive edge when you make more money. Why? Because you can decide to reduce the cost of your product and so that you can outwit or move the competitor out of the way, then increase your product back, increase the price of your product back. So, these are the five reasons why you need more income into your business: sustainability, flexibility, fuel for expansion. You attract investors and talent, better people, and of course, competitive edge. You can reduce the prices of your other products and services. Why? Competitors suffer, you get more people in to buy from you, then you gently increase it back. So just my story. I think I took this picture sometimes during the pandemic. So I started business officially sometimes in 2014, 2015. We started the startup place sometimes in October, and it was from one roller coaster to another. We were not making income. We had staff, sometimes we're owing staff salary. We begged and begged and begged, had issues. Some staff left, some staff came back. I was very broke. I had plenty issues because I was not really making sufficient income. I was very sad every other time. There's a time I had to empty my investment like 3 times that I had somewhere else. I had to pull it to come and pay staff. So it was crazy because I was not making sufficient income. Then sometimes in pandemic, I had a talk with my dad, um, and I just discovered some things that after pandemic, we just discovered every other year we were doubling in our revenue because I discovered some secrets. Just 3 small things that I discovered that has has enabled me grow our income. So our income is pretty much great. Like our income is super great. We are doing extremely well when it comes to income right now as a business and revenue. We're more stable, we're more resilient, we have better competitive edge. And of course, we can decide anytime to pursue any kind of project for 1 year, even if we don't get paid on the project, because we know that we have a backup and a good income base and a good financial stability. So I want to share those 3 things with you today, and of course, get to invite you so that we could get to work together. So there are 3 things basically, 3 models for income growth. The first one is understanding the concept of money. It is pretty much important for you to understand what money is. You can't make money if you don't understand it. It's like you're trying to woo a girl or you're trying to get a girl and you don't understand who the girl is. Chances are you won't get the girl. Next is you need to manage your income. Very, very important. Now, second model is managing your income, and the third model is make more income. So understand the concept of money, manage your income, and make more money. Make more income. Yeah, make more money. So if you do those 3 things, you have income growth. So let's start with the first one. So we need to understand what is money, right? So money is not paper notes, right? Money is not the um that alert you receive in the bank, right? It's just the representation of money. Money, number one, is the reward for your efforts. So you make money when you apply yourself, when there's an effort to make somewhere. So you want more money, more effort is needed, right? This is like the base foundation definition of money. There's still more, there's something higher. But the base one is that we're rewarded based on our efforts we bring to the marketplace. So if you want to make more money in your business, you need to bring more effort. Now, there's another definition that's a bit higher than that, that money is the outcome of smart business practices. If you do good and smart business practices, you make more money. So a smart business practice can be coming up with a marketing and sales plan and executing it. If you do that, you will make more money. So money comes as a result of smart, not hard business practices. Smart. I work hard, but I work smarter more. So the more smarter you are and the more you do smart business practices, the more you make money. It's as automatic and as night and day. It's predictable. Finally, money is the result of the value you create and the value you sell. If we can add that also too. So money comes as a result of value. In fact, money is called value because if you look at money, any money you make is a representation of the value you have dropped. So if you want more money, drop more value. I'm already going to the last slide for today. So if you need more money in your business, you need to bring more value. So money is three things. Number one, the result for your effort, lower level. Higher level that is the outcome of smart business practices. Then the money is the result of value you create and sell, if we will add that too. So this is very important. This is one of the game changers. You need to understand money equals to value. If you want more money, add value. Simple and short. Next, we need to talk about managing your income. So we'll spend a little bit of time here. So when it comes to managing your income, basically, is to clearly identify and know your current state of your income. Another word for income is called revenue. Another word for income is called sales. And when it comes to managing your income, there are two areas you need to pay attention to: your income and your expenditure. Income talks about the money that comes in. Expenditure talks about the money that goes out, what you're spending to run your business. Now, in my coaching class for the business growth accelerator, the income growth accelerator, this is what I usually share. Part of what I share is usually deeper by this, but normally free classes I order, I share this with entrepreneurs, and usually it's quite interesting. So this is like a practical income versus expenditure. So when it comes to income versus expenditure, what we're trying to do here is that we're trying to know what's your income, your average income, and what's your average expenditure. So if you look at the left side of the slide, you would see that there's income there. So there's month one. Let's take month one to be February, month two, March, month three, April. So February, March, April. So what I want you to do, you're going to do practical right now. Pause the video, get a pen, get a book. Don't use a paper, you will lose it. So get a book. So we start February. What did you make in February? So whatever the month you find yourself, so those are that month and 2 months back, right? That month and 2 months back, or 3 months back, if you can remember. So if you can't remember what you earned, then there's a big problem in your business, right? So you need to stay to the end because I have a solution for you. So what you did, February, March, April. So the last 3 months, right? So you just write it down there. Then we go to expenditure. So what are the basic things we spend money on? Call card. We spend money on data, the internet. We spend money on outsource fee. So maybe you're paying like an HR or an accountant that you work with, or a legal person that you work with on a retainer. Transport and delivery will move around very well. You pay light bill, right? You pay refuse bill. You pay office expenses and repairs. So people basically do repairs in the office and some specific petty cash and running around. Fuel stroke diesel, right? If you need power to operate your office. Rent. So it's very important to know this rent, but I would suggest you use 10 months because I don't encourage people to use like December and January because those are two interesting months. December, the sales are usually skyrocketed. January, the sales are usually not that interesting, right? So I will encourage you to do November, February. So February to November. Why? Because those are 10 stable months, right? So So we'll use that. So if your business spends ₦1 million in rent, just use 100K per month. So then salary. Staff one is you. That means you are the one paying yourself salary. Then for your other staff, if you have staff, if you don't know how much you're taking from your salary, from your business, they call it hand of God. You just dip your hand and take it out. Well, God will forgive you, but you just put an amount. You have to do an estimate because we need that. Then, of course, the next part has to do with what you are spending on insurance, if you do insurance, and of course, debt servicing. Say you took a loan and to run your business, or you took a loan to do like finance to finance some part of your business. So how much are you spending on that? So this is for a business. So this is practical. So February, March, April, the person made 300,000 naira. Good. In March, 400,000 in April, 200,000 in February. So that is 900,000 naira. If we take a average, that means 900,000 divided by 3, average, you will get 300,000 as a person's average income per month. Now, the other expenditure amounted to 240,000. So profit would be income minus expenditure. What came in minus what goes out. And the person is making 60,000 naira per month. Right? So I think you need to do this because it's going to help you very well. So you need to do this. So your income minus your expenditure. So calculate your income using this model, calculate your expenditure using this model, and find out what is your average profit per month. So this is what it is. So does this describe the state of your income, of your business income, right? So this guy is like shouting like God I beg you, like in the Nigeria term. So does this describe the state of your income? So if it does, wait to the end of this class because I have something very interesting to share with you. So make more income. So the last model is for you to make more income. And if you want to make more income, there are two ways to make more income. So I bring both of them out. First is higher sales. Second one is higher value selling. So the first is higher sales means that if you sell more, you make more money. So currently, if say monthly you sell 20 pieces of clothes, and the 20 pieces of clothes goes for an average of 10,000 naira, and it amounts to 200,000 naira per month. If you increase your marketing effort and you start selling, yeah, money comes as a result of effort that we do, and you start selling like 30 clothes, you have grown your business by 50%. So it means you start making 300K. It's simple and short. So you make more money when there's higher sales, revenue sales come in. The next part has to do with high value selling. So when it comes to high value selling, what is you're doing there is that you are selling premium products and services that provide significant benefits. So what you're doing is that I've say the fashion designer, you said, okay, my clothes goes for an average of 10,000 naira. I would change my target market. I will increase the value of what I'm adding to those clothes, right? So I'll add other kind of products and services around it that will boost the value, and I would start selling that. So like I gave the example, you increase what you're selling from 20,000 naira, from 10,000 naira to 50,000 naira, or you increase from 20,000 naira to 60,000 naira or to 30,000 naira, and you start selling that, you will then make more income in your business. So basically, when you start doing that, you would then start making more income in your business. So what you just necessarily have to do is that you increase your sales. So how much sales are you making per month? So you note that. So based on what I shared, we would know what is the sales that we're making monthly. So with that, we'll know what the specific amount of sales that we're making monthly. Now, when we increase our sale, we increase our income. Next is that high value selling. So high value selling talks about increasing the value of what we are selling. So when you increase the value of what you're selling, you would make more money. So these are the two surest way of increasing your income. Now, a lot of school of thought goes with reducing your expenditure. I love your idea about reducing your expenditure, but there are more things you could do by increasing your expenditure, by increasing your income. So instead of reducing, just focus on reducing your expenditure, which is very good. You should work on reducing your expenditure, but I prefer you increase your income. Manage your expenditure, then increase your income. Very important. So, next question for you today is, would you like to grow your business? Would you like to grow your business? Now, if you like to grow your business, then let's move forward. So, I present to you the Income Growth Accelerator. So, the Income Growth Accelerator is a 30 days business acceleration for startup and small businesses that is organized by me. I walk entrepreneurs through 30 days on how they can boost their income, grow their income by 2x, by 5x, by 10x. We do a lot of things. So in the next for 1 month, there are 6 things that we are going to work with. So the first one is foundation of income growth. So I'm going to help you with that foundational part. So it's more of a mindset renewal we're going to do in that aspect of the class. So I'm going to teach you about money, teach you about the concept of money, what is money, how money came to be, what it was the idea of the people that brought money or that created money. So money was actually created. So in this part, we understand the importance of income, the key financial terms, and the impact of effective financial management on your business success. Then, of course, work as regards to mastering financial management. So before we start the part of sharing with you and sharing with you strategy on how to increase your money, we need to work on you understanding your income and expenditure and having a very good financial management system in place. So we'll balance operational costs. I'll teach you how to do that with revenue. I'll teach you how to manage your expenses very well. I'll teach you how to create a structure around your finances. If you create good structure around your finances, you will grow better. So I'm going to teach you how to do that and how to create a long-term sustainability and profitability plan. Then I will also teach you as regards to creating high value sales strategy. So when it comes to high value sales strategy on how to sell strategically to increase your sale, how to position yourself in the marketplace, how to enhance your customer perception of you, how to change what you're currently selling, because we've done that over time. There was a certain time we're charging, truth be told, there's a certain time we're charging one of our products 10,000 naira. And we moved it up to 30, we moved it up to 50, we moved it up to 75, to 100, to 120, to 150, and we've moved it up beyond that 150, right? So we grew over time. So I'm going to show you how to create that high value sales strategy. In fact, same product, of course, we increase the value, but same product, different target markets, and we are making more money from that same product. Good. Then I will also teach you on how to explore sales channels, how to basically create a very good sales channels and how to exploit. So it's very important for you to learn how to create sales channel to your business, right? So because the more channels you have for your sales, the more you sell better. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. And of course, we're going to talk a bit about investment. So when you start making money in your business and we are reinvesting back into your business, you're supposed to create other streams of income. So I'll share with you on how to create these streams of income, this multiple streams of income using the profits you have made from your business and how to structure that. And of course, you're going to get a lot of templates and checklists to use that you need to structure and grow your business income. So in the 30 days, number one, what will you learn? How to manage your business income properly. Finance is a very important part when it comes to running a business. The more your business grows, the more you will shed a lot of parts. But you see this financial management, you cannot 100% shed it off. So you need to learn it. Number two, you will develop new channels for income for your business. So it's very important. You will learn new ways of basically getting in more income for your business. Practical tips on setting realistic financial goals. So I'm going to teach you on how to set good financial goals for your business. Remember, it is needed for you to thrive. It is not a goal, it's a necessity. So we're going to learn how to set financial goal, realistic one. Yeah. So I took a class recently. I told people that you are just making a 1 million naira in your business or 2 million naira in your business per annum. And you say at the end of the year you want to do 100 million. It is annual, unrealistic financial goal because you don't have the capacity for that. Then, of course, develop a roadmap towards achieving this goal. So setting goals and developing roadmap. So it goes beyond those setting goals. You have to have a roadmap towards achieving those goals. Then, next thing, I'll teach you on how to manage and improve cash flow to overcome business challenges. So cash flow is very important. So a lot of startup and small businesses, what causes failure for them is the word called cash flow. So you need to learn how to work on your cash flow and bring in more money to your business, which I'll share with you. And of course, you're going to also learn how to develop a scalable business model that adapts to market changes. So whether the market changes, there's fuel hike in price, there's inflation, you are fine because there is a model you have created that will enable you to grow. So the offer includes number one, weekly group coaching. So you learn on your own. So it's an online course. You learn on your own pace, right? It's on Seller. You learn on your own pace. But every week we have a group coaching call. So the group coaching call, I think it's going to be like on a Saturday or a Friday in the evening. So we just work together as a group. So there are going to be other persons you're going to learn from. So there's that community support. We'll have a group coaching calls. I answer your question. I teach you some further things as regards to your business growth, especially your finance. And of course, we talk on other areas, talk about HR, we talk about marketing. So you just get some tips as regards to that. Now, after the program, because I want your business to grow and your income to grow, 90 days after the program, I would still call you. So after 3 months, after a month with me, 30 days with me, then 90 days after that, I'll give you a call and we'll have a section together. The section basically is just to fine tune what you have been doing because I expect you to practicalize what you have done and I expect your money to grow. Now, what are the targets? Number one, increase revenue and profitability. Now, it depends on what you want because in the course, I usually share with everyone that do you want to do 2x, do you want to do 5x, or do you want to do 10x? So it depends on what you want. You want to increase by 2, by 5, or by 10. So, but there's usually income growth and there's increase in revenue and there's profitability. Improve financial management skill. The more you know how to manage money, the better you make more money. So you understand how to manage money. Then effective high value sales strategy. You get that? I'll teach you how to do high value selling. I do that a lot, right? Then optimize sales channels for growth. So normally when I'm trying to do consultation for any of our clients as regards to the marketing and sales, we look at the sales channel and look about how to tweak it. So you're going to be getting that for free, how to tweak your sales channel. And of course, insight into multiplying income through investment. So I'm going to share with you some insight on how you could put money in some other areas so that you can start making more money in your business. Now, the it's not free, it's paid. Now, you need to check the description in this video or down, you will see a link for you to click and pay. Now, I don't usually put an amount for this because every month I increase the price for it. So there's no standard fee for it. Now, you just click and you increase, the money goes up. So the money goes up. So you have to check the description so you would see the amount you're supposed to pay. You click and you make payment. So when you make payments, you send payment details to this number, +2348169861467. You could chat it on WhatsApp or send a text message. Now, something else about the class is that if after 1 week into the coaching program, you are not getting value, I'll return your money back to you. So there's a money back guarantee. To me, a good name is rather to be preferred than riches. I learned that from King Solomon, right? So I don't put premium on money. I put premium on value and I put premium on a good name. So if you join this coaching program, or when you join this coaching program, you should join the coaching program. And after 1 week, you're not getting value, you're not seeing any specific value into your business. 1 week, don't wait for 30 days. 1 week, you don't see that value. I send your money back to you. Don't send me a DM, you get your money back to you. I will take you off the course. But I've not seen anyone that has done that. So click the button down or the link down this video, you make payment and send a DM to +23469861467 and I would see you in class. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.